How to set up goals in Google Analytics. Here's an in-depth step-by-step guide for beginners on how to set up goals in Google Analytics. Step 1. Accessing Google Analytics. 1. Sign in to your Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com using your Google credentials. 2. Make sure you have added the Google Analytics tracking code to your website to start collecting data. Step 2. Navigating to goals. 1. Once logged in, you'll be on the Google Analytics dashboard. 2. Click on the Admin button in the bottom left corner. Step 3. Setting up a new goal. 1. In the Admin section, you'll find 3 columns: Account, Property, and View. Select the relevant view, website, for which you want to set up goals. 2. In the View column, click on Goals. Step 4. Creating a new goal. 1. Click the plus New Goal button to start creating a new goal. Step 5. Choosing a goal template or custom goal. 1. Google Analytics offers predefined goal templates for common actions like making a purchase or completing a form. You can also create a custom goal. Choose the option that matches your objective. Step 6. Defining goal details. 1. Give your goal a descriptive name to identify its purpose. 2. Select the type of goal you want to track. Destination. A specific page users reach, e.g., thank you page after a form submission. Duration. The amount of time users spend on your site. Pages, screens per session. The number of pages users view in a single session. Event. A specific user interaction, like video play or button click. Step 7. Configuring goal details. A. Destination goal. 1. If you chose destination, enter the URL of the page users reach upon completing the goal, e.g., the thank you page. 2. Choose the match type, equals to, begins with, or regular expression. Use the appropriate match type for your URL. B. Duration and pages, screens per session goals. 1. For duration and pages, screens per session goals, enter the time or number you want to track. 2. Set a value that aligns with your objectives and user behavior. C. Event goal. 1. If you chose event, select the event category, action, and label that you want to track. 2. Set the desired value you're tracking for that event. Step 8. Assigning a goal value, optional. 1. Assign a monetary value to the completion of the goal if applicable. 2. This helps you measure the monetary impact of achieving the goal. Step 9. Turning on funnel visualization, optional. 1. For destination goals, you can set up a funnel to track user progress leading to the goal. 2. Enter the URLs of the pages users visit before reaching the goal page. Step 10. Verifying and creating the goal. 1. Click the Verify this goal button to see how the goal would have performed in the past 7 days. 2. Ensure the verification data aligns with your expectations. 3. Click Save to create the goal. Step 11. Viewing goal data. 1. After creating the goal, you can view goal completion data in the Conversions section of your reports. 2. Check the Goals and Goal URLs reports to see how users are interacting with your goals. By following this detailed step-by-step guide, beginners can effectively set up goals in Google Analytics to track important user actions and measure conversions on their websites. This allows you to gain valuable insights into user behavior and make data-driven decisions to optimize your website's performance and achieve your business goals.